Mastering speech. The power of clarity and precision in English. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we'll delve into the realms of clarity and precision in speech. We often hear that the best communicators are clear and precise, but what exactly does that mean? Let's uncover the mystery together. When we say that a speaker has clarity in their speech, it means their language is easy to understand. Their thoughts are well structured and their words are properly articulated, leaving no room for confusion. Clarity is about making your point unmistakably. It's about ensuring your listener gets your message exactly as you intended. For example, instead of saying, "I'm in the vicinity of the establishment," with clarity, you would say, "I'm near the restaurant." Clarity is of utmost importance when we communicate. It can mean the difference between being understood or being misunderstood. When our speech is clear, it's easier for people to understand us, which is a key factor in successful communication. Remember, effective communication is not about using complex words or sentence structures, but about conveying your message in a way that your listener can understand easily. Now, let's talk about precision. Precision in speech refers to the use of exact, specific, and unambiguous language. A precise speaker uses words that precisely describe what they intend to communicate, avoiding any chance of their message being misinterpreted. For example, instead of saying, "I read a book," with precision, you would say, "I read To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee." Just like clarity, precision is also very significant in communication. It ensures that the listener understands the exact message that the speaker wants to convey, without any room for doubt or misinterpretation. Precise language leaves no room for vagueness or ambiguity. So, strive for precision to avoid miscommunication and to ensure that your meaning is clearly understood. In conclusion, both clarity and precision are key ingredients for effective communication. By working on these two aspects, we can improve the quality of our speech and ensure our messages are clearly understood. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing and we'll see you in our next video, where we'll explore more aspects of advanced vocabulary. Happy learning!